Alright, so here we are playing Skyrim. It seems like there's no end to this, which actually there isn't. Alright, so we go to items. Part of my screen is cut off, but I still know what you're saying. Venison. I hate this stuff. Drop. Bye bye. Whee! Alright. Gotta turn around. It's hard to play this game with one hand, people. You gotta understand. Luckily, I've cleared out all the monsters. Just so I could show you this glitch. Aren't I nice? Well, it's not exactly a glitch. It's more like a hilarious new thing I found. So then you get here, then you drop down. But don't die. Hopefully you're not so much of a weakling that you'll die. And what is that? Is that the venison that I dropped? Oh my god.